The good news is that if you did this hairstyle, it's basically the equivalent of arm day at the gym. Hello! Little change of environment today because a huge storm came by and knocked out our power, and we've been without power for 2 days. But I still wanted to give you guys a video this week, so I figured this will be better than nothing. It's a little cold out here, but don't you worry because I got plaid. And a heater for my feet. So I'm coming at you with another hair tutorial. So ever since I started doing the poodle hair, I've gotten quite a few requests on a tutorial for it. So here we are. I am definitely not a master at it. I think I've only done it around 3 or 4 times. I tried to film this a couple weeks ago when I was kind of in the height of my sickness, and it was not great.
What is that?
So what I do like about this hairstyle is that you can do it a few different ways, and it seems like everyone has their own way of doing it. So if mine doesn't work for you, I'm sure there are a ton of other tutorials out there that you can try. Also, the good thing about this is that your hair doesn't necessarily have to be curly for this. I just got a haircut, so my hair is a little bit less than when I first did it. So I am using my curled hair for this just to add some volume, because if it was just my normal wavy hair, that's what I did last time and it didn't come out too good. So what you're gonna need for this is pretty simple: a bunch of bobby pins, these plastic combs, and of course a hairbrush. Now if you do not have these combs, you can also just use bobby pins. So I think my mantra is just when in doubt, just like wave it around and make a face.
But I'd rather pick some nice duck and green peas with cabbages.
And you're done. Would it really be one of my hair tutorials if you didn't hear that joke? Ooh. So from here, you can brush out the curls, or you can just kind of start taking them apart if you want more of a tight poodle. But for me, I'm just going to brush them out first, pretty roughly.
Some people like rhododendrons and some forget.
So it might be kind of hard for me to talk during the next part, but basically what you're going to want to do is take all this fluffy goodness and transport it to the top of your melon like that. And you're going to do this by basically just brushing all the sides. And then what you're going to want to do is take a plastic comb. Once the curls are all the way up here, I'm going to do one here, couple in the back, and then again 2 on the side. So that makes for 6. More or less 6. Sometimes I'll use 5, sometimes I'll use 6. Basically what that does is kind of just creates that little fence that the curls cannot slip down from, and then from there you're going to bobby pin. Here we go.
Boy, you're the captain and I am the crew. Take me up, up, up with you, dearie, away up to the sky. Sail around the moon for a quiet spoon, just to pass on you and I. Let us float, float, float through the clouds and just have a lot of fun. We'll go up, up, up as to power of love, and then come down as one.
So like I said, it varies every time. I used 5 this time. Alright, so now that you have this massive curls on the top of your head, it is time to start sculpting. Now you can either try to use these curls that you have, or you can kind of try to create new curls, which I think is what I'm going to do because these are very fluffy. So what I'm going to do is try to start from the back, recreate these curls. by wrapping them around my fingers like a pin curl. And then pinning them in place. And basically what you're trying to do in the beginning is just hide those combs. And then you're going to go in and kind of add the pretty curls later.
Go off while his love to his dove far above, and then Molly replies, don't you see? Just 3 letters C, Q, and D. Their meaning is clear, it's come quickly, dear. Then he answers.
I think it's pretty easy to feel discouraged at this part and overwhelmed. But trust me, it's gonna come together. Would this face lie to you? I like to start back to front, in case you didn't notice. Just makes it a little bit easier. And like I said, everyone does this differently. So mine are not very organized or clean. They're pretty fluffy and unruly, which is what's nice about this hairstyle, is that you can do that and it still looks like it was on purpose.
Take me up along with you, me darling, do, and let us go away into a latitude about as near as anybody that has ever reached the sky. We can sail around the lunar planet, making love and hugging every time we can it, with nobody in the aeroplane except the parson, you and I. We could float a little, flying boat a little while we wrote.
Now, as you're getting to the front curls, these are the ones that people are going to see, so I like to take a little bit more time and make these look a little bit nicer.
We will be as one.
So the base is done. All the curls are technically in place, and now it's just a matter of refining it because this is looking like a mess. So what you're going to want to do is take a bunch of bobby pins and just kind of shape the curls and secure them, because now for me the curls are only held down by 1 bobby pin each. So I like to go in and add a few more, get rid of these weird bumps. And that is it. Well, I hope this was helpful. I know I'm not the best hairstylist, but basically it just proves that if I can do it, then you can do it. If you guys do give it a try, please tag me on social media, because I would love to see. And thank you guys for watching, and I love you whether you're new or old to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! The camera's really far away. Here we go. No, okay. So what I do like about this hairstyle, but yeah, that is it. I will see you guys. No. The baby! The baby! Oh! What do you think?
We'll go up into the sweetest sky of blue, and on ascending we will figure out pursuit, but on returning to old terra firma we will be as one.